Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of April 11, 2021. We kick up the month of April with a very strong bullish momentum. Last week, jobless claims were more than expected, but the Fed continued to support the market until it's fully open. Last week, with a lot of technology and the retail stocks start turning around with the help of 10-year note went down a little bit, and the people start cashing their stimulus check and start spending again. Now let's take a look on the chart of the major indices so that we can see what they are doing, so that we can see where we are at, and stay tuned. I'm going to show you the classic pattern that every trader needs to know. So first of all, let's take a look on the volatility index. So the market is very calm, as you can see here. The VIX it pulled back down to a very low level even before a pandemic. So that's a good sign for the market to have some momentum to the upside. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, and you can see that last week I showed you the hit to the sell zone and then they slam it down. So that helped the technology stock to move to the upside. Now let's take a look on the SP 500. You can see the SP 500 it continue to move to the upside. They continue to make to the all-time high, and then we still have room to get to the upside. Okay, and now let's take a look on the Dow. The Dow is also very strong. They make it all-time high. They close it very strong at the end of the day also. So it's very strong. And the Nasdaq it also try to get up to test the all-time high here after they finish the invert head and shoulder pattern here. So next week, let's see if they're able to punch to that level and continue to the upside. And the other hand, at the Russell 2000, which is a small cap stock, it will go just be sideways. But with the other three indices, they try to find a way to push it back up. So this one, it probably will follow and then continue to push to the upside. But look at the oil index, it still go nowhere, so they stabilize at around $59-60 area here, so they go nowhere until they're able to break out this downtrend line here to continue to the upside. Gold, the other hand, they try to push it back up the last couple of days, but today they hit to the resistance and then they slam it down again. So probably they have to go sideways a little bit before they can continue to the uptrend. And if you look at the Bitcoin it still try to go sideways at this moment. They're looking for the opportunity to break out this level to continue to the upside. But in the other hand, the Ethereum is still very strong after they break out and then they continue to push it up right now to the upside. If you look at the a couple of sectors, very strong sector like SLK, as you can see here, SLK it continue to push it up and then continue to very strong to the upside as the technology stock that continue to rumble to the upside. And the XLV, which is another sector also very strong, that's a healthcare, they try to turn around and put it back up to the upside right now. And XLY, which is a consumer discretionary, it also put it back up. People start spending again. So this sector is really the retail all capped up. It try to put it back up to the upside right now. Okay, so I will continue to update during the week. So make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new update. Every day in our live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for the E-mini EF future, so my members can make some extra daily income, and we analyze many stocks for the swing trade so that we can stay on the trade longer and make a bigger profit potential. You know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. That's why at Stock Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning and a low risk trade. But we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight, So we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and you can add and see how the price action in real time. If you want to manage your own financial future, this is the time for you to invest in education so that you can survive and make money in this volatile market. Now I'm going to show you the classic pattern that trader need to know, the pattern they call cup with the handle pattern. So what is a cup with the handle pattern? This subject I have been talking in the past, but lately it's a lot of talk. They work out in the big base, so that's why you need to looking for those pattern and you need to understand what it is so that you can make a trade. So the cup with handle pattern is basically it's just a trend following. Okay, so let's say the market is already put up to the uptrend, and after they put it up and then they correct to they build a big round base. It takes about 7 or more weeks in order to form a bottom or the cup here, and after that they pull back down again. They make a handle, so this one is shorter time compared to the cup. So after they build a cup and they build a handle and then they break out, this is where the buy point that people start getting in, and then with the high volume support to the upside. So this is a classic pattern that every trader and you need to know, and you'll be able to locate those patterns. And then you can see every time it break out here, it goes straight up. So this is the top symbol called MO with the outlier group. So this top is one of the classic cup and handle pattern that I want to show you so that you can see, okay, and then you can looking for it and make a good trade. Now, if you have been following me in the past, a lot of cup and handle pattern I have been showing you. For example, like McDonald, as you can see here, McDonald after they build a big base here since October until February, and then they pull back down and they make another handle here, and after the breakout with a strong volume, and people come in and then push it back up to the upside, and it still continue to the upside. The next one is the Honeywell. You know that Honeywell, they also build a base in December until March, and then they have a big round base here, and then they pull back, and after breakout, and then they hang there, and today they jump up right into the top again. So with the high volume support here. And the next one is also the top symbol is called RH. So this one is also, they build a big base here, and then they build a handle, and then break out, and they continue to the upside. Another one is the Cisco, as you can see here. It's another Cisco. They build a big base in August, and then they pull back to the top here, and then they come back. They make a small round base, and then you can see here when they break out, a lot of volume coming in, and then now they continue to the upside. Another one that I also showed you not so long ago, a couple of weeks, and then this stock is called IBM. Also, since October, they build a big base here. They pull back down. They make a handle here, and then they break out, and then the people jump in and push it back to the upside. Okay, and if you are busy working, you don't have time to do the research, you can subscribe to our premium Watchlist where I handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. Now let's check it out. So I can show you. I can show you a couple of them. For example, like Apple. Right. So Apple it up to slam down. They build a base. Okay. So when they break out and then they start move back up, so we can entry with a target. Okay. So a couple of target on the upside, and we can put a stop loss right below and just carry on the upside. And like another one is in our premium watchlist. This one here is also another top and down component. Okay, so we enter here, and then now they break out, and today they break out very strong, and the target will get to the upside over there. Another one is in our premium watchlist. It's also another top that build a base here, and after they have a couple handle, and today they are ready to take up again. Okay, another one is like F and D. This one is the floor and decor. It also have a nice cup with handle here, and then we enter here, and then today they take up again. So something that this pattern that have been very powerful. It's very easy to looking for it, but if you found it, it will help you to identify and then take in the trade. And I'm going to show you some of the talk building the cup or potential to bottom out and make a bottom of the cup right now. So the first one is ALGN, as you can see here. This stock after they have a strong uptrend, they pull back. Now they make a double bottom, they round base and turn around. And this one is still continue to the upside. Okay, the next one is also URBN. So this is another stock. It also try to making the big base right now. A very similar pattern with the other one, as you can see here. So right now they are trying to build the cup base right now. Another one is the GBRA. Okay, so this one is also, they make a beautiful, they trend it up, they pull it back, now they build the base, and they continue to the upside. So that's all I have for you this week. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So please help me to expand my YouTube channel by clicking a thumb up, like button below, or any suggestion, please let me know so I can help you out. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Good luck in your trading, and I will see you during the week, and take care everyone.